First of all, how are you feeling?
The feeling of just being free is an amazing feeling. Lisa, it's so surreal. I have to pinch myself just to see that I'm awake.
Feeds, Kartel says he was on the phone talking with Saddam.
She was like, babe, I'm on my way to get you. And then when the verdict was read, she's like, baby, you're free. We have albums worth of songs. So a lot of writing about the situation, not about the situation, like a plethora of lyrics.
For now, the focus is on reconnecting with family members and recovering from...
Yeah, man. All right, well, God is the greatest. Love you, bro. Love you, man.
Beep. Yeah. The man I drive and I watch TV. That's the... Yes. Drive it, Adim.
Hey! Are you driving?
Yeah, my grandson. Drive it. Drive out the exit. What a thingy. They are drive with my son. But I am a drive.
Fully active.
Remember that. Roll out the Benz, my J. I mean, wifey there. Hey. I mean, fully Gaza. Freedom Street. Remember, God is the greatest. We out. You know?
Oh.